You understand English, but when it's time to speak, you freeze? Don't worry. Today I'll show you why this happens and how to fix it step by step. So, why can you understand but not speak? The problem is not your brain. It's how you've been learning. Reason 1. You've practiced listening more than speaking. You've been exposed to English through movies, music, and reading, but speaking requires a different skill. Active practice. Reason 2. Fear of making mistakes. Many learners hesitate because they're afraid of sounding wrong, but mistakes are part of learning. Reason 3. You think too much in your native language. Thinking in your native language first slows you down. You need to train your brain to think in English. Now that you know the problem, here's how to fix it. Step 1. Shadowing technique. Listen to native speakers and repeat immediately. This trains your mouth and brain to react faster. Step 2. The 30-second rule. Choose a topic and speak about it for 30 seconds without stopping. No writing, no preparation. Step 3. Daily speaking challenges. Set a goal to talk in English for at least 5 minutes daily with a friend, an AI, or even a mirror. Step 4. Join conversations, even if you're not ready. Join English communities, comment on videos, and don't be afraid to start conversations. Learn vocabulary. Freeze to suddenly stop speaking or acting due to fear or nervousness. Hesitate to pause before speaking or acting, usually due to uncertainty. Shadowing, a technique where you repeat what you hear immediately to improve fluency. Confidence, the feeling of being sure about your abilities. Improve, to make something better or develop a skill. Now let's test what you've learned. Why do many learners struggle to speak English? A. They don't practice speaking enough. B. Their brain is broken. C. English is impossible. What is the shadowing technique? A. Speaking at night. B. Repeating after a native speaker. C. Writing translations in your notebook. Now you have the tools to improve. Try these techniques and let me know in the comments. What's the hardest part of speaking English for you? See you in the next lesson. Stay curious, stay magical.